The Very Hungry Caterpillar's Garden Friends by Eric Carle. It's a beautiful day in the garden. The very hungry caterpillar sets off to meet some friends. Who do you see in the garden? He spots a cat. It has such soft fur. Do you know what sound a cat makes? Meow. Next, he spies a bird with ruffled wings. What is a bird's home called? A nest. Tweet. At the pond, he sees a frog with a bumpy back. Can you hop up and down like a frog? Ribbit? What a busy day spent in the garden with friends. But who else is here, hiding behind the flowers? Flutter. It's a beautiful butterfly.